Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to analyze the stocks and current market situation. So before we go, let's look into the disclaimer. Uh, I'm a software manager with experience in the banking and software business sector. Please note that I am not a registered financial advisor and the content I am sharing, including video and post or the comments, are intended solely for the education purpose. For any decision of stock and tickers and crypto or the financial instrument should not be interpreted as the investment advice or recommendation to buy or sell or hold. Always conduct your own research and consult with your licensed financial advisor before taking any investment advice. So your financial actions are your fully responsibility, and based on this content, take your own risk. Thank you. This one. Now let's move into our next topic. Let's see how the market is going on. US market, if you look into the moving averages, US market is looks fine. It closed above EMA 8 and it is above the all the moving average. So US looks fine. So now look into this one. Okay, Dow Jones also looks fine. It is little, so volumes is dying. Okay, so you have to see the volume is dying and the diversions also. I don't. We have to see that how it closes. If it goes up is fine. Otherwise, if goes down, it's again problem. So it's important. Diversion should not be like this. Then it will be a problem. Market may go down. So if closes above this, then it will be the good signal to buy. So as of now we have to watch and see that how things goes. Nasdaq is also looks fine, and see, Russell mini is also fine. This is also, see, it's look very good position as of now. Okay, so Chinese, how Chinese market is doing. Yeah, Chinese market is also closing above this, so it's good. Looks China also looks Australia, how Australia is doing. Australia is also, your Australians are more bullish than US and other. Now what this one, New Zealand is in bearish mode. The divergence also okay. RSI also not supporting. This is also volume is dying. Japan volume is dying. It will take down. So what? There are some events. Okay. Okay. So there is a events. So investor and US rate cuts, Japan share. Okay, there is, so rate cut is there. Okay, this is something. This is also the same. Japan and what is this? South Korea. South Korea also. South Korea is overbought zone. So if you see South Korea is above 70. So it is an overbought zone in the weekly. And what about daily? In the daily it is bearish. Okay. What about US? US also looks S&P 500 as also looks mm, bearish. So daily is not looks. So we have to see today how it goes. If it is both this, if closes above this, then it is a good 6361. So what about Nasdaq? This market doesn't looks like it is a bouncing back. Okay, now okay, let's move to Indian market. Mm, okay, what happened to Indian market? Indian markets also doesn't look good, so it is in the bearish. We have to see the next closing how this happens. Okay, it is closing below, so Indian market is not a right time. uh, oh, that's the thing. So let's go now the stock by stock. Okay, so this is my setup. I have made a code. So this, okay, this particular stock on the daily basis, let's see the daily basis how it is. This is negative, so it is went to stop loss. So what this stop loss was 284. It's below that, so this doesn't make any sense to be here. And this particular, okay, this is trying to come. Okay, this is making some bullish. So let also look into the diversion of this, how this is happening. Okay, this is more this thing. Okay, this stock if closes above 647, this is, let's put alerts. If this stock closes above this, then it is a good time to buy. Okay, so you can put your line here, and the stocks goes above this, we can buy. And I have this thing, so currently I don't have any position. So okay, this Nvidia looks very bullish. This is great stock, looks it's performing well. So let's add the RS diversion, RSI. Okay. Hmm. So you need to see then if the stock goes above 81 or something, you can buy. This is also very good stock. You need to look above this if closes. Now this also beautiful, it just gave a breakout. This is a stock which you have to see. This is making higher high on daily basis. What about weekly? Weekly also, and the monthly also, 3 month also. Oof. This stock is really looks good, very good. So we have to make this one. So yeah, it should be green. So better it should green. So buy this stock also, advanced micro device, AMD. AMD also if closes above, if it is coming here, that is re really good position where you have to buy. Okay, so this one also we can say green or something. Oh, this is not good at all. See, if you see the diversion, so you get early exit here. If you have would have been seen here, this it is trying to close here. You should have been exited here. Like this stock is gone. Should not be there in our. This is also one of the best. So EPS is also positive. So if you are okay, this has still RS diversions are not good. So you can wait for some time, but you can keep on a watch. Okay, what is this one? This is also not good. Just remove. What about this one? Okay, this is also bearish. Now this is trying to bounce back. So let's keep alert here. If stock comes here, we can buy. Okay. So we just make it some no yellow. Okay, let's make orange. Yeah. Okay. Oof, this stock is super. It's making higher high, and these diversions are not good. So be cautious about this particular stock. If you look, these diversions are not good. Okay. So if this actually also in overbought zone, it has to cool down a little bit, but we can keep high on it. Okay, this is again trying to, this is the best, I think. If stocks comes around 90, yeah, it is a good time to buy. So let's put the alert. If the stock comes around here in the 90, so we will buy this. Now, wow, this is the making entry, and but yeah, it's making higher highs. Is also good stock. So let's add alerts. Okay, see how things goes. What I say, this one we should be green only. See it. Sorry, cat. This is it is an overbought zone, so be cautious. Let's little cool down. But I will add alert here to see this particular stock. We have to see how it is working. So like this, you have to go and look each and every. Okay, stock. So it's now City, how Citibank is doing. Citibank has to come back. It was overbought zone, so it is cooling down now. So once it is back again here, if it is making top, then again we have to buy this. Okay. So I put this one, but I will make yellow, not okay. This is Blackstone. This is also good, looks good. Okay. See guys, when the stock is in above 70 RS 70, it is likely overbought if you look into the back history. So always whenever it is above 70, it is cooling down. Okay. See, you should be very cautious when above 70. Okay. But when it is below 30, it is oversold. So you have to buy. This is the basic technical things. I think you should know. Okay. And what about this? This is also, wow. This is what Bank of New York. This is also making good setback. Okay, okay, okay. Now this one also beautiful setups. So like this, you have to, identify the stocks, and these stocks when they break out, oh, this is not at all good. It's going below third, it is going to oversold. But anyway, so once it is come above, also you can we RSI. Okay, if comes above this, we see how to do. Make it. Let's hello. Okay, Boeing. Okay, this stock is also cooling down. But if you see the EPS and everything is positive, so we will see if RS is coming back above 50 or something. Okay, we'll try to look into this also. Oof, this stock is good. Which one is? It's nice. It gave a very good breakout. Okay, in this negative market, this stock is making higher. See, you should have been put some alerts here whenever the stock moves above this. Okay, this was its long-term high. Okay, now stock is making its all-time high. It looks. Yes, I think it's making all-time high and it is positive. I think you should be able to add little bit. It should be, if anybody is looking some sort of this thing, it should be added little bit. The small quantity we can add, because why I'm telling small quantity, because it's above 70. We have to see it should retrace back and then it has to move. It has to come and go. So we'll wait for it and like make it yellow. Yellow. Oof, this is not at all good. And what about GE? Oof, GE also good. So it's also should be green. I should be buying here if truly speaking. But as market is not looks good, so we'll just keep eye on the stocks. We will not take any action until this rate cut announcement Fed decision comes. Till that, just look, this is also great. Yeah, it looks something happening with energy stocks. So you need to also look into the energy stocks. So let add this one also into green. So what are we had something else also and up. No, 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 no. Wow, what is this? It is trying to make top, double top. It is coming down. Maybe it will come back or something. We will have to see once it break out, comes above this. Okay, now what about this? This particular stock, if you look, doesn't look good because its EPS and everything is negative. So you should not take any trade on this. Now what about this? Western Union. Oh, it is having very bad. Now what about this? So actually we have to, if you remember, we in the early video we have looked Chinese market is doing well. So we have to look into the Chinese stocks. Chinese stocks might be give good. Oh, this Walmart. Oh, Walmart is trying to break. So if it is breaks above this, maybe it will give good. Oh, okay, let's Walmart also. Let's make it green. So green means we have to buy or something looking very good to buy. And this stock also looks good. Let's once it break above this, we will you can add small quantity above this. Okay, so this should be green. What is this one? Oh my god. And this EPS and everything is positive, might be this stock will come, but we have to see once it breaks above this. We have to see above this only, this level. So I just make it yellow. No. This one also, no, it's not good. Not, oof, this stock is very well. In this market, it is making higher highs. It's so awesome. Okay. So we just want to, oh, it's something, stock looks good. Don't know what we have to look in this. This one should be brought, as per me. But I'm not buying anything as of now because market doesn't look good. This stock also looks very good. It's trying to break. Okay. Oof. This stock, see, if you would have been took something trade here, would have given a very good, but now it is in overbought zone. So you have to wait. See now here, if you see, it is making mm, lower highs. Okay, but the stock is going up. So means it will come down. So we have to wait. This stock also is coming down, but it's cooling, and the EPS is bit positive. Let's see. Oh, this stock is doing very well. You have to really look into this. But see, guys, you should not buy in this market because currently there is a event. Once that event is over, then we have to see this stock is also bullish. So once it closes above 43, 45, 43 or something, yeah, 40, you should take one here, which is another is here 44 of this thing. So these two areas are really good looking. Okay, now this, oh, this is also beautiful setup. Okay, let's add the alert. Let's check this one also. Wow. See, this setup is really good. We can able to find the stocks very well. So only you should have a patience and look the stocks. Scanning should be done. It, as of now, see this stock is oversold. Okay, but its EPS and everything is positive. But short term, long term, this stock is not performing. It is negative. So we have to see once it comes back, it should go up as per my thinking. This stock is making some, this stock is also looks good, but we will watch. Oh, this is perfectly well made, this stock. Okay, fine. So like this is something. See, you cannot buy all the stocks, but you have to see which one is momentum is making and outperforming, you know, S&P 500 US. This is also fine. This is also making a beautiful setup, and EPS positive from negative it is become positive. So this also you can buy. This is shows good setup, these type of stocks you should wait one small retracement. See, the main thing is that this event is really you have to see that how this event plays in the market. And currently geo conflicts also there, so we have to watch and see how things goes. Okay, should not be very hurry, you will get opportunities lot, There are multiple stocks which gives you opportunities. So we have to watch and see how things plays. Oh, this is nothing in this stock. I think this is fine. Now let's go to the China market, how China is playing up. Okay, all this Chinese market is positive, what we have seen. I think these are the Chinese stocks and they are also doing well. See, this is again trying to out. So once this stock is comes here, we have to wait and buy this. Okay, what about this? Oh no. So let's make this one also yellow. What about this? Uh, these stocks, because of this market fall, they fell down. So you have to keep your eye on these stocks. Put your, you know, alerts. If this is coming above this, above, now it just crossed 50 and 52. This looks positive only. Well, only the concerning is the how market will play. We have to see. Um, The events are really risky. It can drag market up or down. Oof, this is Smart Share Global Limited. It's really good. See, after it gives very good break. So you have to watch above this. It breaks, it will give you very good. Okay, so this one should be green. Oof. See, like this. If they breaks, they will break like hell. And what is this EPS? Oh, EPS, something is positive. Not sure what is positive, but something is positive. Chip health, this is went very high. Now you have to wait. It should come down and go. Should not be hurry in buying this. Okay, this is nothing, so we don't need anything. This is negative. Okay, what about this? Is negative, so we don't look. This is, yeah, what is this? Does not have anything. So just let's leave it. Q technology, it's negative. Oof. This is also in the bearish mode. This is trying to come, and this is trying to bounce back here. So we have to see if that stock is closes above this, you can start adding little bit, small quantity. The moment it start going up, you have to see what it is trying to do. This stock is making good bullish. So I think this is also very good stock. So we should make it. See, I'm not going to look what is the fundamentals and all. The basic scanning I'm doing based on this, EPS, if it is positive. Okay, see this beautiful setup. If you would have been brought here, okay, after breakup, this went like so. What we have to see, this is run a lot. So it once it come back, okay, maybe here or something. We have to see buying. If you are looking this, or maybe it should come here or somewhere, but it should not go beyond this. Oof, come on. This went like hell immediately after the breakout of. You have to be very cautious, when the sentiment is negative in China market because of this Trump, and its stock can fell like hell like this. It fell down from what what was the price it fell down like? See, the stock has fell down around, oof, 97% it fell down, huh? So you have to cautious with this, you have to buy very small quantity and see. This can happen anytime. The sharp downside is very, very risky in this, you know. Make less money, but the risk management should be very, very, it should be very, it should be very important. If you're buying blue chip stocks with the higher quantity is fine. That's where it comes, oh, this is making good, but I'm not sure what it is doing. See, this is like a rocket, it is going above. So I don't want to play like this. Yeah, now this BYD is really good stock, but it is currently in the bearish mode. But his EPS and everything is positive. So EPS something is negative this. So, but it is oversold. You can also watch this one, make it yellow. Go to this is also not good. Nets. This stock I really like it. This stock is coming and going up. See, this stock is making very beautiful setup. So you have to wait when stock is closes above 135. You have to buy here. Okay. Once it moves, so I just make it yellow. This is nothing. What is this? This is also not good. Okay, this stock, leave it. We don't want to get into this. Also not this. What about this? No. Our Trump, our Trump is just not allowing us to make money. This guy is a crazy guy. He says he comes up with new things. Now I think he's not active in Twitter or something. Otherwise, every night or something, you get up in the morning and he puts some tweets and which makes market to go crazy. So we have to be very cautious. Again, with the China, he's very you know, he's not pro to the China, so you have to be very cautious. See this stock actually making higher high and this, but I'm not confident about this. I'll just leave it. This stock is looks good, but again EPS doesn't support what this is. Okay, now these are the stocks. You can look into this and okay, thank you. That's it for today. Now, come on. We also let's see how the crypto is doing. So in the crypto market, if I see crypto market. Now for the crypto market, let's see the crypto market. Of crypto, I have different setup which I am doing. not this crypto. Which one I was looking for the crypto? Not even this one. No, crypto. I had different setup. I just forgot which one I used to do, but I had very good setup for the crypto. Let me check. Crypto, what you have to see the momentum also, but you can look into this also crypto. Okay, how it is doing. Simple. So in this EPS won't come. Crypto doesn't have any earnings and all. Let's close that one. This is bearish. How? Let's see one of the. Now this guy is, see, above this range, above 120. This is very good because this stock's coming here and going down, so it's making one, two, three times it's tried to break, make higher, but it is not going through. So now I think this time it will go because here. Now what about this? Oof, this was in overbought zone, so this guy may break easily. Yeah, to watch and see how this guy is, you know, Ether will do, Ethereum. I will be green in this. So same thing, this is also, Solana is also making comeback. TRX, beautiful. This is trying to make up then handle, but this is negative. Okay, just wait for that. This is also oversold in daily. It is also coming to this support. Maybe it give you the positive after this. Yeah, you have to watch. If this is the support, if this comes down and goes up, then it's a good buy for this also. What about this? This is made bearish, but it's coming back. Now let's see this. No, let's this. This is also, it's not good. This is something good, eh? It's a beautiful setup. This is trying to make something. It's trying to break out. I think you will get from by tomorrow some breakout news for this. It will immediately break out. It will do the breakout. Oh my god, it's already 8% or something today. But this looks very good. You know, it's just making a support in the bottom side. See, if you just look, it closes above this. So I think it should come a little bit and then it go up. What about Binance? Oof, this guy is also trying to come. You need to watch. And Binance is momentum is bearish, but you can buy this. What about this? And dot USD, Uni USD. This is all bearish. So be cautious about this. You look into this. This looks very beautiful setup, and the Ethereum looks very good. I think this is what we have to. Thanks, guys, and that's it for today. We'll try to record again tomorrow how market goes, and then we have to see what the news are coming. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel.